Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Porsche, Volkswagen, Audi, BMW Mini. You start having problems with the engine, rough idle, misfires, link condition, check engines, all these different lights. Before you do anything, very common problem on those. This is the go in live data and check the values and real life data on your fuel pressures. That's the electrical pump in the back in the tank, and that's the one in the front. That's the high pressure fuel pump. Check the values. I press and it barely moves, and it goes down immediately. This is supposed to be up in the 12, 13, 1400 number. You have a problem with the high pressure fuel pump. Before start throwing any parts, this is the first thing you need to diagnose. High pressure fuel pump. Remember this. The engine was supposed to be broken.